Hello everyone, this is Interior Designer OGC Day from Design Solutions. Let's discuss about the basics of a bathroom zoning. A bathroom is one of the most crucial areas of your home, no matter what type or size of bathroom you are designing. A functional floor plan is the key to a successful model. So let's get down on the basics and understand the zoning. A bathroom can be divided into two zones, that is, a wet zone and a dry zone. A wet zone consists of a shower area, whereas a dry zone consists of a wash basin and a water closet, that is, WC. Ideally, there should be a physical separation between these areas, that is, a glass partition or a shower curtain or a level difference in the flooring, that is, tile joint. This will ensure hygiene and easy maintenance of bathroom. Here are some examples of some physical dividers. Let's understand how not to zone a bathroom. Avoid intersections of the three zones. In this planning, the faucet is placed between WC and wash basin. This is a wrong placement because your bathroom flooring will be wet throughout the day. This is a very crucial problem from hygiene point of view. Now when you have seen what not to do in the zoning, let's see how to do it right. This is the right planning as the wet area is completely separated from the two dry zones. Here you can use a glass partition with a glass door, or if you are running short of space, then you can go for some easy options such as a shower curtain or a tile joint. This is an example of a right planning. Now in this second option, some people have a problem with front placement of WC because it is completely visible as soon as someone will open the door. But for me, it's not a problem as we are getting a full length of wall to place the countertop basin and to place the mirror along the length of the wall. Here we can also design a storage unit below the counter. With these zoning options, versatile and practical bathroom design is not a dream anymore. I hope you guys find this video really helpful. Thank you.